In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage categories in Wix Stores. Managing your product categories efficiently is crucial for a seamless shopping experience, and I'm here to guide you step by step. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the Wix homepage. If you haven't already, log into your Wix account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix dashboard, the central hub where you manage all aspects of your site. From here, we'll move to the next step. Look for the Catalog option in the menu on the left-hand side and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can see all your products and categories. Next, you'll want to select Categories, which is conveniently located right under the Products section in the same menu. Once you click on Categories, you'll be brought to a page titled Product Categories. On this Categories page, there's a button labeled New Category. Go ahead and click that when you're ready to begin creating a new category. This brings up a form where you'll start by typing in your category's name. Choose something that is easily recognizable and descriptive so that your customers understand what products they'll find within this category. After you've entered a name, you can provide a short description to give further clarity about the types of products in this category. A well-written description can enhance your customers' understanding and make your site more professional looking. Imagery plays a key role in product visibility online. So next up, you'll want to add an image that represents the category. Click on Upload Media. Here, you can choose an image that aligns with the products in the category. High-quality, relevant images are important, so take your time to select the best one. Just click on the image you wish to use, and then hit Add to Page. With your category looking good, it's now time to populate it with products. Click on Add Products to get started. This action opens a window where you'll see all the products currently listed in your store. Choose which products you'd like to add to your new category by selecting them one by one. Remember, each product can belong to multiple categories, so don't worry about overlap with other categories you have. Once you've made your selections, click on What. Your products are now categorized and you can return here anytime to manage or update the listed items. Finally, after reviewing the details and ensuring everything is as you want it, click on Save. This action will ensure all your changes are committed, making your new category live for your customers to see. Managing categories effectively can greatly enhance the user experience on your site and make browsing much simpler for your customers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tutorials to optimize your Wix store.